till date. Being constrained, she filed a writ petition before this honorable court, and the same was registered as WPC number 6319 of 2019. And this court, by the order dated 9/11/2021, had observed that the petitioner has been continuing as a teacher in the subject of education in the higher secondary school since the day of her appointment, but was not paid the salary due to the fact that no sanctioned post of subject teacher in education, due to the fact there was no sanctioned post of subject teacher in education in the said higher secondary school. And further observed that there are proposals from the principal of the said higher secondary school for sanctioning the said post. Full stop. As such, this court held that it would be appropriate for the principal secretary to the government of Assam in education department to decide and pass a reasoned order as regards the necessity of sanctioning a post in subject teacher in education in the said higher secondary school. Full stop. It was further held that once the post of subject teacher in education is sanctioned, the principal secretary is directed to examine the records and to see as to how the petitioner was appointed to teach education in the said school, in the said college, no, in the said higher secondary school. And further held that if the petitioner was appointed by following due procedure, the petitioner should be sanctioned, should be regularized against the said sanction post. And in case the petitioner was not appointed by following due procedure, the post has to be filled by a recruitment procedure under the rules, by following the recruitment procedure under the rules. And in following the said procedure, the petitioner should be allowed to participate. It was also held that during the said selection process, the petitioner should be given appropriate weightage considering her long service in the said school since the year 2005. And also that the legitimate expectation of the petitioner should be taken into account. It was also observed that the petitioner has continued to serve the school for such a long period a long period, and as such, she would be required to accept the appointment at the request of the students as well as the authorities of the said school. She had to accept the request, accept. She had to accept by foregoing other beneficial opportunity of occupation. And as such, necessary weightage was directed to be given to the petitioner. Full stop. In person to the said order, para korba niki? And what is this page 49? To the director contempt number? Oh, they were not following and contempt was filed.
The contempt process, these are the communications.
You had filed a contempt application.
That has been closed, my lord.
That was
After
closed.
passing the impugn order.
Where is the pleading here?
I have enacted the order of the contempt in the contempt case, my lord, case 56, my lord.
Page 56.
Fine.
Achha. Nalaya, para. In spite of the said order, the Government of Assam and the Education Department Assembly History has produced an order dated issued by the Secretary. Lack of credible document and careful consideration of the government in the had decided that a claim of petitioner could not be considered based on available reports. And thus the Honorable Court order dated in this court is available. The respondent is the order. Yes, ki kola? In the Education Department did not pass any order which compelled the petitioner to file a contempt application, being contempt case number 315 of 2023. And during the proceedings of the contempt proceedings, the learned counsel for the respondents placed an order dated 6/6/2024, by which it was stated that due to lack of credible documents, the salary of the petitioner could not be paid. And on the basis of that order, the said contempt petition was closed. Para. Thereafter, on what date? On what is this date? The 6/6/24.
Fine.
Or what? What is the date of the impugn order?
6/6/24.
6/6. Thereafter, by an order dated 6/6/2024, the Government of Assam and the Education Department had passed an order stating inter alia that the petitioner was appointed to teach the subject of education in the said higher secondary school by the then in charge principal of the said school on honorary basis. And that when the school was upgraded from high school to higher secondary school, the subject of education was not allotted. And further, that the petitioner was rendering her service against a non-sanctioned post in the said school. Full stop. It was also in the said order, an office memorandum was referred to bring home the fact that managing committee of provincialized educational institution is not authorized to appoint any teacher or non-teaching staff.
My lord, the office memorandum is dated 30/5/2011.
In our para 5, in our affidavit, it is mentioned.
2011, yes.
2011. I was appointed prior to that.
Mm,
So, my lord, this doesn't have retrospective effect. No?
okay.
That is in
Huh.
terms of the Honorable Court judgment laws. I have just produced.
Mhm.
Yes, in question 2.
There was a memorandum, okay? Teaching staff. And further that, documents with regard to the appointment could not be placed by the school management or the petitioner. And as such, due to as such, allegedly, and as such, the authorities allegedly on absence of documents and on careful consideration rejected the claim of the petitioner for her salary by the said order. It is this order which is put to challenge by the petitioner in the instant petition with the further prayers as mentioned above. Para. It is noticed in the order dated 9/11/2021 passed by this court. It was specifically directed that the government of Assam in the Education Department should decide on the aspect of sanctioning a post of education in the Paradhara Higher Secondary School in view of the fact that the sets that the teacher as well as the students are in due to the fact that the petitioner due to the fact that the subject of education is required in the said school and the students were also at large, were also in large numbers in the said subject. And it is further directed, it's a full stop. It was further directed that once the post of education is sanctioned in the said school, it has to be seen as to whether the petitioner was properly appointed. And if it is so, she should be regularized in her post. And if it is not, then a selection process was directed to be conducted. And in the said selection process, the petitioner was directed to be petitioner to be allowed to participate. Petitioner should be allowed to participate. And also that the petitioner should be given weightage due to her long service in the said school. Full stop. However, however, the authorities concerned were sitting over the matter, and during the contempt proceeding, it was placed by the respondent authorities where was this Justice Jami's order? Acha, हाँ.
56
It was placed, কি করলো? Authorities that due to lack of credible documents, the claim of the petitioner for salary could not be exceeded to. Full stop. However, it is crystal clear that in the said petition, which was disposed of by order dated 9/11/2021, the authorities were directed to decide on the aspect of sanctioning a post in the school and thereafter decide to induct the petitioner in the said post or to hold a selection process. Payment of salary was although an issue, but that was not the primary issue before the court when the order of 9/11/2021 was passed. It is also seen in the impugned order dated 6/6/2024. Oh, no. impugn order dated 6/6, no?
Yes,
6/6/2024, that the authorities concerned had only taken into account the aspect of payment of salary to the petitioner. The authority had not decided not to speak of passing any speaking order with regard to the directions given by this court. That they have not stated about they have not pondered about sanctioning a post of education in the said school, which was the main direction of this court by the said order. The order dated 9/11/22 did not say for appointing the petitioner to a sanctioned post without following the rules. It said that a post of education should be sanctioned first, and thereafter, if it is required and if it is provided under the law, the petitioner may be inducted to the said post. But the authorities concerned had passed an order that petitioner was wrongfully appointed, and as such, salary cannot be paid to her. It is further seen in the order that office memorandum was referred to, which was of dated 3/5/2011, which is much after the petitioner was appointed. It is also reflected above that petitioner was appointed by the managing committee after taking a resolution dated 9/8/2005. It is also seen that the petitioner has been working and imparting the subject of education to the students since 2005 without any sanction post and without any salary. The said service of the petitioner was not considered at all by the authorities concerned, and they have simply rejected her claim as well as without following the High Court's order. They had passed the order. As such, the order dated 6/6/2024 is set aside and quashed, and it is directed that the authorities in the education department should follow the order dated 9/11/2021. Full stop. Further, it is directed that the authorities in the school education department should sanction a post. It should have been this order: sanction a post. If you tell them to consider, they will never consider.
I think, Lordship, there are 2-3 regular process selection has already been over. But I think that post has already been sanctioned, I
Okay,
think.
let them go through the process, but I'm directing them to sanction a post in the higher secondary school and
Yes.
appoint her as per law.
No, Lordship, kindly pay my one submission, small submission. In para 8, Lordship, kindly turn to page 48. Page 48. Lordship, may kindly see that once a post of the subject is our education, Parador High School is sanctioned. Once it's sanctioned.
Once it is sanctioned,
Sanctioned, if it is sanctioned. The principal secretary to call for original records of the Parador High School and find as to in what manner the petitioner was appointed, what manner. If the petitioner was appointed following the due procedure, there and under the rule, that should be entitled for proceedings of regulation against such sanction post. If he is appointed,
You understood this, I've written this.
Yes.
What is your problem?
that is that.
First of all, sanction a post. Thereafter, appoint her whether if she is legally
No.
entitled.
Yes.
I'm not saying her
Yes.
sanction a post and appoint her.
Yes, that
Need
direction should not. Yes.
had said.
Yes.
Maybe you did not understand and your authorities did not understand.
No authority, but authority has.
Where did this order of salary? Where is the question of salary in this order? You
No,
have, you,
impugn
there should be two things. Either you should have understood yourself or you are just backing your authorities. What
No.
is this backing of authorities?
No, this is not backing. Lordship, in the impugn order, though the sanction part is not mentioned, that should have been mentioned, that the post was sanctioned or not.
There is no consideration, there is no stipulation, there is nothing in the impugn order.
But the
About the sanction
assertion that she was
part.
appointed on by regular process, or that was been done because she was appointed by the managing committee. That
Again,
was-
you are harping on the same
that
thing.
was-
You don't disturb this court. Okay, then saying it is directed that the authorities should sanction the post of education in the higher secondary school and appoint the petitioner if she is entitled to the said post under the law. Petition is disposed of.
My lord, regarding salary, my lord, as she's rendering her service, my lord, in view of the division-based judgment, my lord, she's entitled to the salary, my lord.
And further, it is no res integra that once the authorities utilizes the services of an employee, he or she should be paid. Since the petitioner has been working in the said post of teacher in education department,
Subject teacher in education.
subject teacher in the education department, she should be paid.
Here also, she was appointed by the managing committee, not by the department.
It is seen managing
Yes,
committee by way of a
if
resolution that
anything,
I,
she should
there are
came
so
to the
many,
managing-
there are
No,
so many
there are so many
appointments.
cases were dismissed by this honorable court also. They can honor it.
Matter, this is not a case for
Yes, yes.
dismissal. Everything
Yes.
is on the facts and
But if
circumstances.
she want to claim any money, she should claim from the managing committee lordship. She file a civil suit for that.
She has filed a suit. It's okay. Then salary should be paid. The authorities should accordingly pay her salaries. Petition is disposed of.
Problem.
May I please the lordship?
Mm.
My lord, the matter pertains
Mr.
to.
Chishti, Mr. Chishti, this is not the way you should submit before the court.
No,
These are not your personal matters.
no,
This is
not
the way.
personal matter, but I have to apprise the.
You have to build the capacity of
Yes.
submitting before the court.
No, I have to apprise the
It's
court.
okay, I'm taking up the next matter. Yes, Mr. Bora.
My lord, the matter pertains to constitution of the school managing committee, my lord.
Mm.
The petitioner contends that, my lord, it has been constituted in violation of the provisions of the rules, my lord.
Mm.
So that rule says that, my lord, section 13(3) says that there should be a 7 days notice,
7 days notice.
my lord, which is apparently.
Acha, is this ready or they have to file their affidavits?
No, my lord, they have not filed affidavit yet, my lord.
Registry to direct to, this is very old matter. This has come up after almost a year.
Yes, my lord.
Yes, Mr. Bora, file the affidavit.
My lord, we'll file.
Did you take time before?
My lord,
Yes, my lord.
this was last listed in the year
Shall
2024.
receive instructions. Miss Chutia, you are supposed to receive the instructions. But this was in April 2024.
My lord,
Okay, you get
Well-
the instructions and file the affidavit soon
my lord,
because this has been pending for long.
my lord, last listed in the year 24 only, my lord.
Yes, my lord.
Okay.
Right.
Heard Mr. D.P. Bora, learned counsel for the petitioner. Mr.
BK Bora.
B.K. Bora, learned standing counsel for elementary education.
My lord,
Elementary education submits that he may be given some time to file their affidavit and bring the instructions before this court. Prayer is allowed. Since the matter pertains to the year 2024, not very long time would be given. As such, list this matter on 10th of June, 2026. Okay? by which date the learned counsel for the elementary education department would file the affidavit.
My lord, interim order may be continued.
Interim order is there,
Yes, my lord. The impugned.
but it is not
25 to 2025, my lord, interim order.
25 to 2025.
Yes, my lord.
There is no order here. The last order was of 24, May 24. The last order was of 24. Maybe you're handling a different file.
No, same issue, my lord. Actually, we have filed another subsequent writ petition. It is the
Okay.
old one, my lord.
This is the old one.
Yes, my lord. Yeah, in fact, it has become infractuous, my lord.
Is it?
Yes, my lord.
See, look at it properly.
Yes, my lord.
Shall I pass the order?
Yes, my lord. It has become infractuous.
Okay, they cut it in. Mr. D.P. Bora, learned counsel for the petitioner, submits that the matter has become infractuous and has prayed for closure of the same. Prayer is allowed. The matter is closed as infractuous.
But subsequently, we have filed another writ petition. Their interim order is there, my lord.
Acha. That is not on board today.
No, no, no.
Okay.
Sorry, my lord. Oblige, my lord.
Assembly 62 কি অভদ্র রে? বড় অভদ্র রে। হুম? বড় অভদ্র। কথা কোয়াটা আমি খং উঠিছে। Yes. Yes.
My lord, it's a compassionate
হ্যাঁ,
appointment, madam.
item 2. Okay, now item number 2.
Two, my lord.
No counsel?
My lord.
Uh-huh. Mr. N. Hussain. Last time he was there,
My lord.
additional affidavit they were supposed to file. None appears on call for the petitioner. List this matter on 3rd of June.
My
3rd of June.
lord.
Contempt case.
It's a contempt case, my lord, and operative portion is at page number 26, paragraph.
This is for the first time.
First time, my lord. Notice may be issued.
Let notice go.
My lord.
Heard Mr.
MAI sent.
MAI Hussain, learned counsel for the petitioner. By this application filed under section 12 of the Contempts of Court Act 1971, read with article 2 for 15 of the Constitution of India, and contempt of court's rules, Gauhati High Court rules, 1977. The petitioner has alleged willful and deliberate violation of the order dated 16/6/2025, passed by this court in writ petition number 6698 of 2024. Where is the order?
Order from page number 23, it is page number.
27.
23 from page number 23, it is started, my lord. And operative portion is at page number 26, paragraph 4 and 5. The direction is there to consider my case for pension within 3 months, my lord.
By the said order, a direction was given that if the petitioner was found similarly situated with the petitioners in WPC number 8694 of 2018 and 7873 of 2015, the petitioner should be granted the benefit, should be granted pension as per Assam pension rules of, as per pension rules of 1969. And the exercise was directed to be completed within a period of 3 months from the date of the receipt of the order. Issue notice, returnable by 3 weeks. Petitioner to take steps for service of notice upon respondent number 1 and 2 by speed post with AD or by usual process. List this matter on 15th of June. Contempt,
Yes.
first time,
My lord,
notice,
My lord.
heard Mr.
Yes.
A. Hussain, learned counsel for the petitioner. By this application under so-and-so, ni eke hobo, huh? Under so-and-so, iman khini diya nai. Application under section 11 and 12 of the Contempt of Court Act, read with Article 215 of the Constitution of India, the petitioner has alleged willful disobedience and deliberate violation of the order dated 23/2/2026, passed in writ petition number 5284 of 2025. Full stop. Where is the order?
My lord, operative person, page 19.
By the said order,
Paragraph 6.
this court had directed the Directorate of Higher Education, Government of Assam, to consider and dispose of the representation submitted by the petitioner on 29/2024 by a speaking order.
There is two order, my lord, okay, sorry, two represent 29.
29/2024
And 16.
and a reminder dated 16/6/2025
Yes.
by way of a speaking order. And with a further direction, with a further direction that if the petitioner is found entitled for medical reimbursement, the same shall be given without any delay. And the direction was, and the direction was, and it was directed that the representation should be disposed of within a period of 6 weeks from the date of receipt of the order. Issue notice, returnable by 3 weeks. Petitioner to take steps for service of notice upon the sole respondent by speed post with AD or by usual process. List this matter on 15th of June.
Obliged.
Yes, 5.
Right.
Hmm.
Okay, my lord, due to my lord leakage of question paper in the last year, my lord,
Hmm.
hashing the first year examination, my lord.
Only once it came and there was an adjournment.
Lordship, lordship,
So, notice? No, not notice. What? Instruction?
notice, and there is a prayer for interim because my lord, my school has
Okay,
been, my
then
lord.
if you are praying for interim, place the case, what happened?
Okay, my lord, for the leakage of question paper, my lord, one FIR has been lodged.
ASRCB needed to be, your lordship, appear. Here he is, they are the, your lordship, important party here. AS
They should appear, their names are shown perhaps.
not shown, not reflected in the cause list.
Anyway,
Respondent number-
let me hear his case. You take your seat for some time.
For leakage of my lord question paper, my lord,
Hmm.
an FIR has been lodged, my lord, that FIR is at page 32, my lord. Page 32, kindly have a look, my lord. In the various district of Assam, my lord, including in Nagaon, my lord, FIR has been lodged, my lord, CID case has been registered, my lord, for alleged, my lord, leakage of question paper, my lord. Thereafter, my lord,
FI was lodged by
by my lord, additional
Controller.
lordship, my lord, in
Then?
CDPS, my lord. The investigation of the FIR is still pending, my lord.
This is leakage of which examination, which
SS
question
chair-
paper of mathematics only?
Mathematics, and in the short, my lord, serial number 9, Nagaon, and my school is, my lord, Bihogari Advanced Academy Senior Secondary School, my lord.
Acha, you are what? Teacher there?
I'm for the school, my lord. Now, my lord, my affiliation has been, my lord, permanently, my lord, cancelled, my lord,
Because of the leakage?
because of the leakage, my lord. After this FIR,
Affiliation with the CBSE? What?
no, my lord, Cheba, my lord.
Seba.
Cheba, my lord. And after this FIR, my lord, next page, page 34, my lord. It was, my lord, initially suspended, my lord, so cause was issued, my lord. I have submitted my reply pursuant to that said so cause notice, my lord, and thereafter, my lord, by impugn order, my lord.
You are the what? You are the management committee what?
Lordship, my lord. Petitioner before lordship is, my lord, school and, my lord, management committee, my lord.
Acha.
Petitioner-
Okay, what is this order of 22nd of March?
The order, impugn order, my lord.
This is the impugn order.
Impugn order is at page 40, my lord.
Page
page 40, my lord.
where your affiliation is cancelled.
Cancel, my lord. By 23 March,
But it was only a FIR and show cause was issued.
so cause was
You had replied.
replied, my lord. And thereafter,
It has not reached to its logical end. The
Lordship, my lord, investigation is still pending, my lord, and from the, my lord, impugn order, it appears, my lord.
what is the impugn order? Just
Impugn
let me.
order is at page 40, my lord.
Hmm.
Page 40, my lord. From ninth line from bottom, my lord, it's a, my lord, relevant, my lord.
Which one?
Ninth line from bottom, my lord.
Page 40.
Page 40, my lord.
Where is the board had decided?
Lordship, my lord, here observation is there, my lord. And whereas based on finding of the CID, one Mohammed Asik from Nagaon involved in the leakage of mathematics question paper has been apprehended. The apprehended person is the son of honor of Bihaguri Advanced Academy Senior Secondary School as stated by the present principal of the institute during hearing before the
Hmm.
secretary.
So he is the son of the owner of some higher secondary school.
Lordship, my lord. And so far, my lord, the police case is concerned, my lord, investigation is still pending. And my respectful submission is
This is the owner of your school.
Lordship, my lord. Honor, son of the honor, my lord.
Bagaguri Advanced Academy School is your school,
My school, my lord.
as stated by the principal.
Principal, my lord. And this is the LS finding, my lord, and consequently, my lord, my college has been, my lord, the school has been, my lord, permanently permanently, my lord, de-affiliated, my lord.
Okay.
So far, my lord, police investigation is concerned, my lord, that is still pending, my lord. Even if, my lord, it is assumed, my lord,
Acha, what interim order you want?
to stay this order, my lord, in the meantime, my lord. Because, my lord, due to, after passing of this order, my lord, I am not able to. my lord,
One
take it.
person had done it according to the investigation, the son of the owner of your school, and it was stated by the principal. But the new principal is unable to give you any proper answer,
Lordship.
give the board.
So far,
So, but then it is too premature to.
Lordship, my lord, even if assume, my lord, some negligence has taken place by, my lord, by the, my lord, son of the owner of the school, my lord. So entire institute should not be suffered, my lord, because of this order, my lord.
Heard,
Now, my lord,
Mr.
K. Borua, my lord.
A. Borua, Learned Counsel for the
Your lordship,
petitioner.
obviously go your
No, we will issue notice,
Yes,
but then
okay.
this is too premature to close, to cancel the affiliation. Because let
For
us.
aforesaid application part, your lordship, ASSEB is the necessary party here, your lordship. come in.
SSEB is made a party.
After-
They
Your
will
lordship,
answer.
the name has not been reflected in the cause list. Your lordship, copy sir, please.
It's okay, it's okay. I'm
not-
passing the order. Heard Mr. So-and-so? Huh. By this application, filed under Article 226 of the Constitution of India, the petitioner has prayed for quashing of the impugn order dated 15/12/2025, issued by respondent number 2, by which the affiliation of the higher secondary school,
Yes, my.
the affiliation of the school, no, like, by which the school, namely Bagaraguri Advanced Academy Senior Secondary School, is permanently de-affiliated from the Assam State School Education Board with immediate effect. The case of the petitioner is that there was a leakage of mathematics paper in connection with the examination of the first year, in connection with first year examination.
This is first year.
HS first year is. in connection with HS first year examination to be held on 21st of March 2025. Full stop. An FIR was lodged in regard to the same on 22/3/2005.
It should be my lord 2025, my.
2005 it cannot be.
Lordship, my lord. Page 33, my lord, in the signature, my lord, 22/3/2025.
22/3/2025. An investigation is on. Full stop. In the meantime, show cause notice was issued to the school concerned and a reply was also submitted by the principal of the said school. Full stop. In the impugn order, it is stated that the leakage of the mathematics paper no, it is stated that person involved in the leakage of mathematics paper is the son of the owner of the said school. And the said fact was stated by the principal of the said school before the hearing conducted during the hearing conducted before the secretary of Assam State Assam State
Secondary.
School Education Board. Full stop. Issue notice returnable by 3 weeks. Petitioner to take Ms. P. Das, you are appearing for respond number
1, 3, and 4.
3 and
Second
Ms. P. Das, learned standing counsel appears for respondent number 3 and 4. One government advocate, Ms. S. Kumar, appears for respondent number 1. And who appears for ASSEB?
Government or nine? Government or nine?
No standing counsel.
For ASSEB, your lordship, TC Sutia. TC Sutia.
TC Chutia. Mr. TC Sutia for
What
respondent number 2.
Yes, school education.
Learned counsel
Nine
for
for
respondent number 2. In the facts and circumstances of the case, heard on the interim prayer. In the facts and circumstances of the case, more so, the investigation, more so due to the fact that the investigation is pending,
3 weeks.
this court deems it fit that the impugn order dated 11/8/2025 be stayed.
Impugn order, my lord, 15/12/2020.
Impugn order dated
Page 40,
15/12/2025.
Issued by respondent number.
Issued by Secretary of ASSEB. A memo number we did. Impugn order wide memo number ASSEB Roman 2, capital Roman 2, /RPR /NAG
SSD 2.
/C/1781/2299. Dated 15/12/2025 be state. And further, the institution is permitted to run Full stop. Be stayed till the next returnable date, did you? Be stayed till the next returnable date. And further, the institution is permitted to run. List this matter on 24th of June. Okay?
Right.
Yes.
Deeply obliged.
Yes.
Lordship,
The grievance of petitioners is, Your Lordship, they were accommodated as tutors. However, they were ought to have been appointed as teachers, Your Lordship. Despite
We
having
need to notice.
notice, Lordship has heard in similar matter on Monday. Your
So
Lordship.
all of them should come
Yes,
together.
Lordship.
Heard Mr. P. Khatunier,
Lordship.
learned counsel for the petitioner. By this application, the petitioner has prayed for accommodating the
Communication.
petitioners to the post of teachers
Teachers.
instead of tutors,
Yes.
as has been done by the impugned order. Issue notice, returnable by 3 weeks. Ms. S. Kumar, learned standing counsel, elementary education, appears for respondent number 1 for all the respondents. Extra copies be furnished to the furnished by the petitioner within 2 days. List this matter on 24th of June.
Lordship, that matter is fixed on 18th.
Oh, yes. When learned counsel further submits that analogous matter, that is writ petition number
2699 of 2026.
2699 of 2026 is fixed on
18th, Lordship.
18th of June and has prayed that the instant matter may also be taken up along with the same. Prayer is allowed. List this matter on 18th of June.
Lordship. Lordship, item 7 is also similar, Lordship.
7 to academic. Respondents are also same.
Same.
Yes,
Mr. Borak.
Very pathetic, my lord. Last, it is the fourth time came before the honorable court.
For the
petitioner
first
given-
time,
No, fourth time. During
fourth,
this-
fourth round of litigation.
Yes, during
Bapre.
her service period, my lord. Last,
He also has the
last
patience.
sales are there, my lord.
Mm.
Well, a petitioner before lordship appointed as an assistant teacher.
So notice today,
No, no, my lord. I am not
Interim.
praying for, no, I am not praying. That's the instruction because of lordship. There is a specific direction from the honorable court to pass a speaking order by giving the all benefit.
Mm.
Because of the same select list, others are given benefit.
Mm.
And this is the honorable justice C.K. Roy judgment. And thereafter, they reject it. Again, they came before, he came before the honorable court. The Milo Justice Bujor Bora courts have given the, again, sent back to the authority to give entire benefit. And thereafter, contempt petition was filed. And during the contempt petition, they filed an appeal before the division bench. Division bench also rejected the same and directed to comply with the order by giving all benefits. And thereafter, Commissioner Secretary, they pass a speaking order by giving all benefit as other, this is the order, only order.
as others
Ah,
similarly situated.
Yes, similar, and thereafter, director pass an order and give appointed at another schools. I am joining the same, and thereafter again another order has been passed. Your lordship go to the order, my lord.
Mhm. Where is
Page
that order?
156, my lord.
Again depriving her or what?
I am going to that, my lord. Just, my lord.
56.
156, my lord, annexure 27, 26.
Mhm.
May I read, my lord?
Wait 1 second.
In persons of
Uh-huh.
government letter number so-and-so 16 to 2026 and number government letter number so-and-so 7 to 2005 in and in compliance of the Honorable High Court order dated 17/3/2022 passed in WPC number 1046/2009. The service of the Dipti Das
Hmm.
petitioner in contempt petition number so-and-so is hereby regularized with effect from 1/9/2004 to till the occurring the vacant post and subsequently adjusted as a regular teacher. Again, the regular vacant post of assistant teacher in the LP school under PO Lakhimpur so and so. And name of the assistant teacher, period of supernumerary post, that is my left,
Where?
lordship, fourth, third.
Huh.
Period of supernumerary post 1/9/2004 to 19/10/2012 as a stipendiary teacher and 2010/2012 to 31/12/2000 as a regular teacher at Bhimpara Singori LP School by Umakanto Payang at instantly retired. Date of vacancy, dice code, and thereafter, my lord, this contempt petition was closed on page 158. Last para, my lord. May I read, my lord? The court under judgment so and so third para 4 judgment dated so and so setting aside the opposite impugn order and remanded matter to the concerned commissioner secretary pass a face order. Accordingly, a face order was passed appointing the petitioner as stipendiary teacher. However, she objected to such appointment of the stipendiary teacher, and subsequently, during the pendency of the contempt petition, order dated 5/3/2026 has been passed, whereby petitioner service was regularized as stipendiary teacher with effect from 1/9/2004 to 19 and as a regular teacher with effect from 2010/2012 to 31/12/2016. In view of the aforesaid, this court is of the opinion that judgment dated so and so has duly been complied with. At this stage, court is not inclined to pass any order as regard the payer for petitioner debt. A direction may be issued to payment of arrears in as the court cannot expand the contempt proceeding to the writ proceeding, issue a writ mandamus. However, the petitioner shall liberty to approach appropriate forum any grievance. All order has been passed, but money has not given in any salary till good.
During the period of stipendiary and as well as after.
Nothing, all order are there. Commissioner order, director order, join the, I more than my lot.
Because of court's order,
Court's
otherwise
order
they would
all
not
are-
have passed. I have seen their conduct. They would
my
not
lord,
have passed.
At this stage, I am praying before Lordship.
Hmm.
Take instruction as to why, in spite of specific direction for the honorable court, as well as director, as well as pass the speaking order passed by the secretary to the government of Assam, as well as director order, why they did not give the salary till.
Yes. Yes, Ms. Chutia, bring
This is
the
the
instruction.
instruction by giving a death certificate.
Why do you make people work without money? Will
Because
you
I-
work without money?
No.
Will you work?
No, madam.
Neither will I. So why do you make people work without money?
I give a representation.
Who works without money?
His services.
And they are in a very compromising state. They cannot leave the job also after serving for so many years. You should understand their apathy.
Same select list, all are.
But
given.
at that time, illegal teachers
This
were
is not
also
for-
there.
It's a Manoharan committee, there was a
That- that-
report and then everything is settled.
This
Right.
is the
You give
specific
the instruction.
direction. This is the order passed by the secretary. Your lordship secretary order, my your lordship.
Here, two issues are there. That's why, short notice may go, madam. We will.
No,
find
no,
out
no,
and
no, I'm
reply,
not
madam.
praying for notice. Well,
See,
take
she
instruction,
has-
why you
She
worried
has
about
come
it?
before the court so many times.
That
She
is
got
my
orders.
mindset.
My lord, your lordship
Madam,
speaking
short-
order, my lord secretary, page 151, my lord.
You bring the instruction, you speak to them.
151, page 151. This is the secretary passed by the order, madam. This order has been passed 7/2/2025. After dismissing the division bench order, the division bench.
Therefore, now in compliance with so-and-so was heard and conclusion arrived at, accordingly it is held that Dipti Das is entitled to be regularized by creation of a supernumerary post. Hence, department has sought concurrence. So everything is given. Why no salary? If you don't get salary, there's no purpose of giving you everything.
Madam, that
You
is-
It is all for the purpose of salary.
The second paragraph, my lord.
Okay, let them bring instructions.
Let them
Hmm.
instruction.
Heard Mr. N. Bora, learned counsel for the petitioner. The case of the petitioner is that she was allowed to hold a regular post from a particular date, and before that, she was allowed to continue as a stipendiary teacher. But till date, from the date of her appointment, she has not got any salary. As such, this court deems it fit to direct the learned counsel appearing for the respondents to bring instruction to the effect on the next date fixed.
My lord, annex order dated, my lord, 5th of March 2000, page 156, my lord. On the basis of director order, my lord. 156, my lord. They take instruction, my lord.
Take instruction in view of the order dated 5th of March 2026 passed by the Director of Elementary Education Assam, by which the petitioner was directed to be regularized, was ordered to be regularized in her post with effect from 1/9/2004 till the occurring of the vacant post, and subsequently the petitioner was adjusted as regular teacher against the regular vacant post. Okay, list this matter on 15th of June, by which date the Learned Council, Ms. S. Chutia, would submit the instructions, would
I'll
place
bring
the
for
instruction.
extra copy, madam.
Hmm?
Bring for extra copy, madam.
Yes. Miss, extra copies you give, you need not.
To date, not necessary. I'm-
Necessary, madam, without extra copy.
No, no,
madam,
not necessary of an
Oh,
order.
oh, my.
You give the extra copies. Yes, Mr. Goswami?
The petitioner has to approach this honorable court for his minor son. Minor son qualified for admission in JNB school.
In?
JNB, Johanna Novodatta Vidyalaya at Nalbari. He got out of,
Appointed as a teacher?
no. His son, petitioner's son, want to take admission in class 6
Oh, huh.
in Johanna Novodatta Vidyalaya.
Hmm.
He has appeared in the admission test. He got 85% out of 100.
In midst of the session, I mean,
No,
As-
for admission test, they conducted an admission test. See, he scored 85%. Thereafter, he was given a letter that you are, my petitioner was given a letter that your son has been provisionally selected for admission.
Hmm.
Accordingly, petitioner son went to the school along with all the documents,
Hmm.
relevant documents. And petitioner's son has been given all the allotment also. Therefore, suddenly petitioner has been informed that your son is not eligible to get admission.
in class 10, 6.
No, class 6.
Hmm.
Only on the ground that petitioner's son, though studied in Nalbari district, but they are permanent resident of Baska district,
Permanent resident.
permanent resident of Baksa district. That is why they do not give admission. Ultimately, petitioner has filed representation to the authorities. As per circular, also within 10 km radius, they are residing, they are eligible for admission.
Hmm.
And principal has already forwarded the
Bottom was a
representation.
note, huh? Hmm.
Petitioner's application has been forwarded by the principal of the school to the authority that he is eligible for admission. But till date, no decision has been taken. Let's kindly see.
But what, why, there is a distance within which the
My
student
lord.
has to stay.
My lord, there is a specific circular on
Hmm.
page 37 of the petition, my lord,
37.
37 of the petition, my lord. Paragraph in the middle, my lord. However, if a student is a resident of a district but studies in a school located in another district within a maximum radial distance of 10 kilometers from her residence, she shall be considered for admission in the district of residence. My lord, as per the verbal instruction that I have received, the petitioner is a resident of Nalbari
This
district.
provision has not, this circular has not been challenged.
It has
Let's
not been
annex.
challenged, my lord. It's
No?
Annex also.
It is
No,
been
not
annexed, my lord.
challenged in any court
Not-
for
no,
virus.
No.
Not
It is it's
already-
holding.
Already in similar situation, this court has allowed, I have not placed this order. In similar situation, Lordship, another court in 2022, that has been allowed by this honorable court. And secondly, Lordship will kindly see before that, he submitted.
Within the district, I have to be within the district to get admission in the school. What is this? People used to come from far off places.
But they are, Lordship, that is why, Lordship, page 24,
Huh. Page
24.
24, yes.
This is the prospectus of the Johanna
Oh.
Novodatta Vidyalaya. Lordship, can see who is eligible, page 24.
Okay, let me, notice be issued today.
Lordship, already admission is
Hmm.
completed.
But he is not admitted as such.
No, he has been given admission, provisional admission has been given. Thereafter, Lordship, all things have been returned back by the authority. And already, Lordship, kindly see.
My
before
lord,
that,
what is?
Page 24,
Hmm. Who is eligible?
Lordship. Admission candidate in class 6 in JNB district specific. A candidate who is studying in his class 5 in the district is allowed to apply for admission. Lordship, got it?
Hmm.
Allowed to admission. And petitioner admittedly in a Nalbari district school,
But in a different school, right?
in Nalbari district school,
Hmm.
for admission in JNB, the same district only.
Hmm.
Lordship will kindly see now.
Hmm.
Admit card at page 31.
Yes.
He has given the admit card for taking, for appearing in the admission test.
Hmm.
Lordship will find next page, page 32.
Hmm.
He is appearing from the class 5 examination from para 15, 179 number Doblapata LP school, that is also Nalbari district.
Hmm.
Now Lordship will find the certificate issued,
Hmm.
rural certificate, page 33.
Hmm.
That is issued by the circle officer.
Hmm.
Amnat Hussain, son of Pinku Ali,
Village Namati, district Nalbari.
Kub Nalbari,
Hmm.
under Nomati.
Hmm.
And same district,
Hmm.
same district, only on the ground that petitioner father is a resident of Baksha district, they are not allowing.
My lord,
Now, Lordship will find again,
How did he get the first admission in Nalbari school if his father was staying in
that is what,
Buxar?
my lord.
they have to study in the same district, study in the same district. And he should be residing in the district within the Nalbari district.
Hmm.
Petitioner's father is residing in Nalbari district,
Hmm.
but permanent resident of Baksha.
Oh,
And
okay.
that is also within 10 kilometer radius. Lordship will find provisional admission letter at page, Lordship 36.
Hmm. This is provisional admission.
Provisional,
Selection of a candidate for
Select
admission to
candidates.
class 6.
and petitioner was directed to produce all the documents.
Hmm.
Petitioner has produced all the documents.
Hmm.
Now, Lordship, the page 38. Page
Hmm.
38 is the recommendation by the principal,
Hmm.
recommending the authority that petitioner is entitled for get admission. Lordship will find
Hmm.
page 38.
Yes.
During verification of document, it has been noticed that Master Amnat Hussain, roll number Iman, is studied in class 3 Dablapata LP School in Nalbari district under Pub Nalbari block. He is a resident of Madhapur, Baksha, Assam,
Hmm.
which is area adjoining the district of Baksha, Assam. But area is situated within 10 kilometer from the boundary of Nalbari district, fulfill the criteria of maximum 10 kilometer as
Hmm.
circulated by your later dated demand.
Hmm.
So we fulfill the criteria also.
Hmm.
Within 10 kilometer residence, petitioner is
This is
studied.
by the principal to deputy commissioner.
Lordship. Lordship will find, I have enclosed the Google map, page 41,
Hmm.
distance.
Hmm. Okay.
Within the petitioner is
10
eligible,
kilometers.
and petitioner has also residing in the Nalbari district only for study of his minor son. I have enclosed the certificate issued by my landlord.
Hmm.
Lordship will find at page 39.
Hmm. Hmm.
Page 39 is a
Pinku Ali's the father
other
has been residing as a tenant in district Nalbari for the
Nalbari.
last 2 years.
bona fide, necessary is bona fide resident. And bona
But
fide,
then what order you are praying for now, as of now?
as of now, Lordship,
Provisional admission only, and they'll
no,
have
no,
to
I
see.
have one, Lordship.
My lord, if I may,
Only thing is, Lordship, if seat is filled up, I will not get admission.
Uh-huh.
If whole seat is filled up, I will not get any admission.
Hmm.
Secondly, I cannot appear in a second time. Only one chance. In my lifetime, I cannot apply for second time. As per Lordship report,
So one seat to be kept vacant.
one should be kept vacant.
my lord, as per the instructions that I have received, seats are already full and there is already a waiting list. And second of all, my lord, what my learned senior has already placed, he is eligible, the student is eligible to be admitted in Baksa, not in Nalbari. As per the circular
No,
which I had placed,
but then it is within 10 kilometer maximum, 10 kilometer, right?
my lord, 10 kilometer, and then he can be considered for admission in the district of residence. I have, he has the documents which he has placed during the document verification round. In all of them, he has stated that his district is Baksa. So he's eligible for Baksa, not for Nalbari. He has applied for Nalbari.
But that is within 10 kilometer radius.
My lord, that is why, my lord, this circular, this 11th March 26, it has come subsequent to the prospectus, because there was a.
So
in
10
the
kilometer
second-
thing is gone.
It is there, my lord. It
That
is
is
there,
there.
but he can be considered for a district of residence, and he's a resident of Baksa district. Hence, he is eligible for for admission in Baksa, not in Nalbari.
Petitioners.
There are two aspects. Whether you have to be the resident of the same district or within 10 kilometers of some other district will also do.
My lord, then if he is within 10 kilometers and suppose he's residing in Baksa and he is studying in Nalbari, but he is within 10 kilometers of Baksa,
Mhm.
then he is eligible for admission in Baksa, not in Nalbari.
No, he will be eligible for Nalbari only. Where is the 10 kilometer thing?
My lord, page 37.
Acha, date 37?
However, if a student is the paragraph in middle, my lord,
That I've
Just-
seen.
studies in a school located in another district within a
Hmm.
maximum radial distance of 10 kilometers from her residence, he shall be considered for admission in the district of residence, my lord.
If a student is a resident of a district but studies in a school located in another district within a maximum radial distance of 10 kilometer from his or her, he shall be considered for in the district of residence. So yes,
My lord,
now if a person is in the district of Baksa,
Baksa
huh,
is studying in Nalbari.
but He is studying in a school situated in Nalbari,
Nalbari
but within the 10-kilometer
from
radius.
his residence, then he is considered for admission in district of residence. So his residence is Baksa.
But studies in a school located in another district within a maximum radial distance of 10 km from his or her residence, he shall be considered for admission in a district of residence. So
Basically,
he
this was
for Baksa.
for
No,
Baksa,
no.
my lord.
I have
This
explained
was-
this document. For
This was
studying the
actually
There is nothing in the record in the prospectus that a petitioner should be permanent resident of the Nalbari district. I have enclosed, I am
Yes, permanent
up.
resident is a different thing,
uh-huh.
but resident.
resident, I'm residing in Nalbari district.
But sir, whatever it is, now you are praying for, this is also very bizarre. What is this within the district?
My
What
lord,
happened?
basically this was done. If my lord goes to the second paragraph, it is
Ah.
pertinent.
Yes.
This is the residence certificate that was given by the petitioner.
That's right.
It's
That's
Baksa.
also.
It is Baksa. There is also this thing notarized.
Okay, but whatever it is, we will see during the hearing.
My lord.
Now here, now you are praying for a vacant seat, but then he's saying that
If
all
it
the
can-
seats are
if-
fulfilled.
If once it is remaining vacant till date, it should be kept vacant till returnable date.
That okay, you try to find it.
If there is vacancy,
If
but
there's
if
vacancy,
there's
then keep
vacancy.
it for him.
My lord.
Heard Mr. S.K. Goswami, learned counsel for the petitioner, assisted by Mr. S. Sharma, learned counsel for the petitioner, and Mr.
R. Das on behalf of R. Rakhi Chaudhary. R. S.
Acha.
Chaudhary.
R. Das on behalf of R.S. Chaudhary for representing respond number
2 and 3, my lord.
2 and 3. Okay. By this application, the petitioner has prayed for his son's admission in the school, namely, what? Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya,
Nalbari.
Benekuchi, in the district of Nalbari. It is the case of the petitioner that his son studied till class 5 in a school in the district of Nalbari and opted for admission in the said school, opted for admission in class 6 of Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya Benekuchi in the district of Nalbari. And that all the requirements for admission to the said class was conducted and a provisional admission was also granted to the petitioner's son, but he was later informed that petitioner's son could not be admitted due to the fact
My lord, I'm
that
sorry.
the residence
This was after the document verification round. Later.
documents were
After
sorry to detail that okay could not be admitted due to the fact that the residence of the petitioner,
Permanent resident. Not resident. Resident is Nalbari district.
permanent residence of the petitioner was in Baksa district. This was done after verification of the documents submitted by the petitioner's son. However, Mr. S.K. Goswami submits that the petitioner is the permanent resident of Baksa, but he has been residing in the Nalbari district for 2 years
For education of his son.
for education of his son. As such, he has challenged the non-admission of his son in the said school. Mr. Das, appearing for respondent number 2 and 3, however, submits by relying on the notification dated 11/3/2026, which provides that if a student is a resident of a particular district and the school is within the radius of 10 km from his or her residence, he shall be considered for admission in his district of residence. He submits that in all the documents submitted by the petitioner's son, the residence is shown as Baksa, and as such, his admission was not allowed in the school in the district of Nalbari. Issue notice returnable by 3 weeks. petitioner to take steps for snow, not required, right? Union of India, Mr. S.K. Medhi can appear, right? Mr.
I will inform.
Mr. Das, okay. No, issue notice returnable by 3 weeks. Mr. S.K. Medhi appears for respondent number 1 and respondent number 2 and 3 are represented. Extra copies be served upon the counsels appearing for the respondents. Heard on the interim prayer for the, in the facts and circumstances of the case and for the benefit of the student, that is petitioner's son. This court deems it fit to direct the school authorities to keep one seat vacant in class 6 if the same is available. List this matter on 24th of June.
Obliged.
This one you can take, Mr. Das.
Basically, I'm saying,
Yes,
Okay.
Mr. Das. That compensation matter we took long, but it will be delivered within a day or two.
hope so.
Yes.
Thank you.
Yes, Mr. Das,
Well,
what is this?
only one thing, well, these petitioners were appointed in 2001
Hmm.
as an assistant teacher and stipendary teacher. They got-
Stipendiary teachers.
And they got salaries for 3 to 2 years.
Hmm.
Then thereafter, they did not get salaries.
Hmm.
Ultimately, in the year 2021, they were appointed as tutor,
Hmm.
10,500 rupees.
Hmm.
Then thereafter, they filed representation for regularization.
Hmm.
And they, since that was not acted upon, the petitioners came before this court. And similar many orders are passed. One of the order, I have annexed 3 copies,
Hmm.
but page 325 will do.
Acha, today notice
No, Malad, it can be disposed of.
on the basis of instructions.
325, Malad, today also I have done one case, before,
Hmm.
court number 4, disposed of. They will not object.
Yes,
Page
Miss.
325.
Minor
Shruti?
notice matter.
There are common orders, it is said, they will be
Common
covered.
Your lordship may give
Today
some
also,
time.
today also in court number 23, item number 4, same order has been passed.
So it is a covered order. See the order. Let me see the order, Mr. Das.
Page 325.
325.
Same mallet only assistant teacher oblique stipendary teacher, line 3. And instead of 93, 94, it should be 99, 2000.
You were also appointed on regular scale of pay.
No, regular scale and stipendary teacher.
Acha. You were appointed.
Yes.
Lordship may fix it next week, my lord. In the meantime, I will take, bring instruction whether they are similar or
All
not.
these
my lord.
cases have been disposed of. Nobody has
Next
objected.
Monday, my lord.
Mallet page, your lordship will kindly see page.
Just see the order
See
first
also.
if it can be disposed of.
Court number 20, Mr. Chukia. Hello, I have annexed 3 copies here. I have got another, I think 4 or 5 copies
Okay,
available.
this will do.
Yes. Only instead of district Bangladesh, it will be district now. And rest are same.
Individual representations only, Mr. Chair.
Yeah.
Okay. Along with the certified, it is further all the representation that submit the authority of the other. So similarly situated edifice is found.
Yes.
In fact, I read a case a little while ago, similarly situated. Oh, that was a contempt petition, yes. Okay, heard Mr. B.D. Das.
Only assistant teacher oblique stipendary teachers.
Okay, heard Mr. B.D. Das, learned counsel, senior counsel, assisted by Mr. S. Bora, learned counsel for the petitioners, and Miss S. Chutia, learned standing counsel for secondary education,
Elementary education.
elementary education. The case of the petitioner is that when were they appointed?
99, 2001, between, they were appointed in the year 99.
99. Okay. The case of the petitioner is that the petitioners, that the petitioners were appointed in the year 1999
To 2001.
to 2001.
As assistant teacher.
as assistant teachers,
Public stipendiary teachers.
oblique stipendiary teachers in ME schools,
LP school.
in LPs, in different LP schools
In the
on a
district.
regular scale of pay.
No, well, it is, they
Oh.
are stipendiary teachers.
Yes, in various LP schools in the district of
Nalbari.
Nalbari. The learned counsel for the learned senior counsel for the petitioner submits that although they were paid salaries for few years,
Yes, 3 months to 2 years.
although they were paid salaries for a period of 3 months to 2 years, but after that, the same was discontinued. And the petitioners thereafter were appointed to the post of tutors
Tutor.
Tutors.
10,500.
under section 2U of the Assam,
Yes.
under subsection 2 within bracket small u of the Assam Education within bracket open bracket Provincialization of Services of Teachers and Reorganization of Educational Institution Act 2017 in different LP schools by order dated
31/2021.
same order
Same,
31/2021 at a fixed salary of
10,800.
rupees 10,800 per month with effect from
1/11/20.
same 1/11/2021.
I'm saying same.
Yes. The learned counsel submits that the petitioners are discharging duties and functions as that of regular teachers, but were deprived of their regular salaries. Here, paragraph 2. The learned senior counsel also submits, this is also a covered decision from the division bench,
Yes.
also submits that the case of the petitioner is covered by a decision rendered by the rendered by a division bench of this court in Mohar Ali Sheikh and others versus State of Assam and others reported in 2024 5 GLT 689, by which this court directed the respondent authorities to determine the scale of pay to the tutors at par with other government employees within a time frame. The learned counsel for the petitioner submits that the instant petitioners are also similarly situated as that of other persons who had approached this court by filing 5436
Yes.
or some other also.
Other cases, sir.
There are so many similarly situated who had approached this court by filing 3 numbers of writ petitions, and they are
Annexure 7, 8, and 9.
they are as Annexure 7 page Mr.
Page 273, relevant is page 317.
That is a writ petition number 5436 of 2025.
Yes. And 6646 to 25.
Same order.
Yes, same one. 6646
And-
25, that is page 2025.
So many petitioners here.
7264 to 25.
And 7264 of 2025
25.
as well as
As well as, my lord, this 3 I have given, others are there, my lord.
no
Other-
3. I did not get 3 numbers. I have only 2 numbers.
5436/25,
5436 of 25,
6646/25,
6646 of 25,
7264/20.
7264 of 25.
I have
And the said writ petitions were disposed of by order dated 17/9/2025.
all these different orders were similar orders. Were
Give me
disposed
one
of
order.
17/9/25, 26/11/25, and 17/12/25.
Okay. And 17/12/25.
20.
Ah.
One.
Yes, on. 5436 to Kekwa, 54. And this court, by order dated 17/9/2025, passed in 5436 of 2025, directed the petitioners to approach the respondent authorities and file their individual representations. Full stop. It was also directed in the said order that the respondents would dispose of the said representations within a time frame if the petitioners are found similarly situated with the teachers in writ petition number 5436 of 2025.
The page 327, only one of the petitioner needs to submit a copy of the writ petition. Page
Mhm.
327,
327 years.
the part of the order.
Hmm.
It is further provided that all the writ petitioners in between, after about 4 lines, it is further provided that all the writ petitioner need not submit a copy of this writ petition,
Hmm.
and only the petitioner number 1 may submit a copy of the writ petition
Hmm.
with annexes, and the respondent authority shall consider the same to be
Okay.
sufficient.
Uh-huh. Acha, this order was in respect of what writ petition?
Writ petition number
It's okay. This is not 5436, right? This is 5436.
6646, 25.
What is this page where the writ petition number was reflected?
Writ petition number is T20.
Acha, acha. Okay. Of para. Miss S. Chutia, Learned Standing Counsel for Elementary Education. However, prays for some time to receive the instructions, but seeing the facts of the case and the orders passed in similarly situated, passed in similar writ petitions, and more specifically, the judgment passed in Ali Sheikh and others, Supra. This writ petition is disposed of with a direction to the petitioners to submit their representations along with a certified copy of this order before respond number 1. Before respond number 1. It is also provided that while making individual representations, all the petitioners may not submit the copy of the writ petition with annexures, and that only one petitioner is directed to submit the same. And the authorities should consider it to be sufficient. Full stop. Upon receiving the representations, if the authorities concerned finds that the petitioners are similarly situated with that of the petitioners in other writ petitions, that is, writ petition number 5436 of 2025, as well as writ petitioners in Mohar Ali Sheikh's case, similar benefit should be granted to them.
That in that case, there is nothing reflection again in favor of the benefit, my lord. Only direction is to consider the, my lord, representation within 3 months, my lord. My lord, may page 339, my lord.
So where is the benefit given then?
Nothing is given, my lord. Only, my lord, direction of this honorable court to, my lord, to dispose of the representation, my lord.
No, benefit is only for giving them scale pay.
They have to consider it.
They have to consider it. Right.
My-
I've already said if they have not been granted scale pay, so they will consider it. What is the submission? I didn't get what?
My lord, may page 339, my lord, para 5, my lord.
Huh.
Here, my lord, direction of this honorable court to file individual representation, my lord, and the authority is directed to dispose of within a period of 3 months, my lord. Regarding, my lord, benefit, my lord, that state government has to take a call, my lord. Till that, my lord, perhaps.
No, the state government means before the secretary.
No, my lord. In Mohar Ali, my lord, in Mohar Ali case, my
This
lord,
is Mohar Ali's judgment.
the
one that we are placing, no.
In that case, my lord, in Mohar Ali, my lord, this honorable court directed the state government to take a policy, my lord, regarding their scale pay, my lord.
Huh.
And that's all right. Your lordship may direct them to take to consider the petitioners within a period of 3 months.
3 months, my
And
lord.
it is under, to my understanding, it is under consideration of the government.
So they will also place it is already under consideration.
My lord.
Only for consideration.
To dispose of the petition, to dispose of a similar benefit should be granted to them to the effect that the payment of the petitioner should be considered. Payment of salaries to the petitioner should be considered.
Regular scale payment.
Regular skill.
The regular scale pay, the payment with regard to regular pay scale to be granted to the petitioner should be considered. The entire exercise be carried out as expeditiously as possible. preferably within a period of 3 months from the date of receipt of this order, the writ petition is disposed of. There will be hundreds, thousands of representations, I believe.
They're considering it. They know all the district wise, know that they're making tables. They will put up before the government, whatever the government.
Here, but if the state may just only be granted, what my benefit was trying to say, you should be given the handle to verify. That is all. That is.
Verify, yes.
That is.
There is no direction to
Yes.
give you. Yes or no? It's okay, don't worry. Yes.
May I please?
Hmm.
My lord, the petitioner's name
Hmm.
initially was recommended by the District Scrutiny Committee
Hmm.
in the year 2019.
District Scrutiny Committee for appointment as principal, headmaster,
Assistant Professor.
assistant professor, okay.
Now, in the 2019, my qualification was under verification process.
Hmm.
Accordingly, I have been dropped.
Dropped.
Then in the year 2023, my lord,
Hmm.
my name has been recommended. Dr.
Hmm.
See at page 48,
It was dropped, then it was again recommended.
recommended.
Then,
Then, my lord, in the year 2023, my name is recommended, but till date, my lord, no such progress has been made.
oh,
Now, in the last.
again
occasion-
dropped or what?
Yes.
Yes,
Last
Mr.
occasion,
Bhuya,
Your lordship was pleased to, my lord.
you will get instruction or I
Lordship-
can dispose it of today.
On 8 laws, a similar matter is already
Fixed on 8th
Eighth
of
last.
June, my lord.
You recommend, if you have recommended, consider,
on 8 lordship, we will take instruction.
there are analogous petitions.
Yes, yes.
Yes, two matters, my lord, 271126.
Acha.
It has been.
Heard Mr. M.U. Mondal, learned counsel for the petitioner, and Mr. S. Bhuya,
Lordship,
learned standing counsel for
higher division,
Higher Education Department.
for 2, 3 and 4.
Huh. The case of the petitioner is that he was recommended for appointment as assistant professor.
My lord,
There is a post of assistant professor,
tutor assistant professor.
assistant professor / tutor in the college of, where is your appointment letter?
Ahmedabad College, my lord.
Hamidabad. I've heard this Hamidabad before also. Yes. Where is your appointment as assistant professor?
Page, my lord, 20.
Was appointed as, yes, appointed, was selected and appointed as a lecturer in the Department of Education in the Hamidabad, where is the Hamidabad College?
My lord, in the top lordship. will-
District
will be
Dhubri.
Secretary, Ahmedabad College. Dhubri.
Thereafter, it is stated that the petitioners, thereafter, what is the recommendation about?
Page 48. Lordship will find.
48.
Yes, operative part, my lord, page 49, last paragraph.
Hmm. And thereafter, the state level scrutiny committee recommended for 70 numbers of assistant professors, 99 number of incumbents consisting 3 for provincialization, right?
Yes.
And thereafter, the state level scrutiny committee had recommended the petitioners along with others for provincialization of their services. However, later, it is stated by the counsel appearing for the petitioner that the petitioner's case was dropped. Where is the dropping letter?
Dropping letter is not available here, my lord.
Drop, but later on, again, the petitioner was recommended for provincialization of her services. And then what happened? After that, you don't know.
After that. no.
But the outcome of the said recommendation was not known to the petitioner. And aggrieved thereby, petitioner has filed this instant petition. Issue notice returnable by 2
Let-
weeks.
Let, my lord, my friend be directed to bring instruction. my lord.
Acha,
Other
the
cases-
issue notice but there. Mr. Bhuya,
Notice.
learned standing counsel for higher education is directed to bring the instruction as to what happened to the recommendation given by the district level scrutiny committee.
On 8, my lord, other matter has been fixed.
Full stop. It is also stated that similar matter is being taken up
8th of.
and is fixed on 8th of June 2026. And a prayer is made to take up this matter along with the same. The writ petition number is
2711/2026.
2711 of 2026. Accordingly, let's put the matters together on 8th of June. Hmm.
May I please, Your Lordship?
Hmm.
Your Lordship, in this matter, Your Lordship, the petitioner was appointed, Your Lordship, as an assistant professor of economics, Your Lordship, at the, Your Lordship may very well peruse page number 16, Your Lordship, at the Lalit Chandra Bharali College.
Lalit Chandra Bharali College, a
Yes, sir.
known college, yes.
Your Lordship, there was an
LCB.
yes, Your Lordship, there was an advertisement issued by the respondent number 5, the Cotton University, Your Lordship, wherein the petitioner was shortlisted for interview, which is to be held in the month of June, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, where I am serving at Lalit Chandra Bharali, Your Lordship, College, I have made a representations, Your Lordship. I have made 3 representations, Your Lordship, for issuance of NOC, Your Lordship. Because as I have been shortlisted for the interview, Lordship, there is a requirement from the respondent.
So no, you were appointed as an assistant professor.
Yes, Your Lordship. of
You were
which-
in the Lalit Chandra Bharali College.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Thereafter, there was an advertisement.
Yes, Your Lordship.
For what post?
For the post of assistant professor of economics at Cotton University, Your Lordship.
Oh, at Cotton University.
Yes, sir.
So you wanted an NOC from LCB.
Yes, Your Lordship. However, they are not issuing such NOCs, Your Lordship. If Your Lordship has a perusal
Hmm.
of annexure number 8, Your Lordship, there
Hmm.
was a reply by the respondent number 3,
Page?
page number 37, Your Lordship.
Hmm. So why are they not giving you NOC?
Your Lordship may very well peruse page number 37. They say that there is a resolution, Your Lordship,
Hmm.
under which I do not qualify for 3 continuous consecutive years of service, Your Lordship. I was appointed in the year 2023, Your Lordship.
Hmm.
On 22, Your Lordship, 23/9/2022.
Hmm.
And Your Lordship, I have made representations, Your Lordship, may very well peruse annexure 7, page number 36, Your Lordship.
Oh, acha, okay.
On 18.
Representation for NOC.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Mm.
And they have not issued any such NOCs, and rather they have arbitrarily discriminated me on the virtue of the fact that they sought an opinion from the HOD of Lalit Chandra Bharali College, Your Lordship, wherein there was a decision taken that whether I should be given NOC or one Nishi Brotta Hazarika should be given NOC, Your Lordship. As per Rule 24 of Assam Provincialization of Colleges, Your Lordship, employees under Rule 2010, there is a provision that the NOC has to be given by the governing body, Your
Why
Lordship.
did they reject what is there in page 37?
Yes, Your Lordship, there's a resolution which they have,
No
stated.
objection certificate to apply for other posts
yes, Your Lordship.
in other departments
departments.
will be issued to teachers and employees only after completion of 3 consecutive years of service.
in the
So
course.
you don't have this 3 consecutive years of service.
I do have the 3 years,
Hmm.
consecutive years of service, Your
Hmm.
Lordship, and this resolution was taken up on 22/2/2025.
Hmm.
Your Lordship may very well peruse annexure number 10, Your Lordship,
Hmm.
wherein there is a reply by at page number, Your Lordship.
40.
Yes, Your
Hmm.
Lordship.
Hmm.
If Your Lordship has a perusal.
This is reply by the petitioner.
Yes, Your Lordship. If Your Lordship has a perusal at page number 43, Your Lordship,
Hmm.
there is a reply by Ishankur Saikia. If Your Lordship has a perusal at the last bottom, Your Lordship,
Hmm.
to the petitioner, that your first application dated in 2000.
No, wait, page 43.
44, Your Lordship.
44.
Yes,
Acha, yes.
Your first application dated in 2024 for the NOC is not bound by the GB resolution dated in 2025.
Hmm.
As it appears in annexure 1.
Is
and
not
4.
bound by governing body resolution.
Yes, Your Lordship. So
Okay.
therefore, it may be.
As it
granted now.
appears, in my opinion, it is held extract of resolution. Okay, then?
And therefore, it has opined that it may be granted now subject to the approval of the governing body when it is held.
Hmm.
Your Lordship, now the interview, as I am being shortlisted for the interview, Your Lordship, it may be conducted in the month of June, Your Lordship. And because of such non-issuance of NOC, Your Lordship, I will be left out, Your Lordship. So I pray for a direction to the respondent number 3, either through the Director of Higher Education to consider and to issue an NOC, Your Lordship. That is my only humble prayer in this petition, Your Lordship.
NOC is not granted for the reason that you did not have 3 years consecutive service.
Yes, Your Lordship.
But then you said that you were appointed in 22.
Yes, Your Lordship.
And then by this time to what, 4 years?
Yes, Your Lordship.
So, but then, so consider giving the NOC?
Yes, Your Lordship.
Lordship, at present college is not before now, but notice is issued, Lordship, And
Notice, issue notice and all will take some time.
Dusty, Dusty service within short.
No, the rejection, the point of rejection is only 3 years consecutive service.
Yes, Your Lordship.
So why not passing an order, telling them to consider,
Yes, Your Lordship.
right? And since it is the case of the petitioner that she has completed 3 years.
That's that order pass. There is college offices appear lordship. One can and such one can done because of the order subject to him. The Cotton University for this allow the notice interim prayer lordship. Page 12 lordship.
But why interim and all? See,
Yes.
I can dispose of the petition. I will not direct them to give NOC, to
No.
consider giving him NOC since he has completed 3 years.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Okay.
No, I have no problem because the college is not before you.
College, I'm not directing anything. They will not be offended by this order.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Like, okay. You are for?
University, only thing is that after the receive of the NOC, we have for the select to the petition. Because
Says after receiving NOC only, you will let him sit for the interview.
Yes, Your Lordship.
give the chance to the.
Yes,
No,
Your Lordship.
Yes,
if you
then
direct the
when is the interview?
Your Lordship, as per my friends,
No, so
In
there's
front of-
no date has been fixed.
then the time is there also. The short, they'll appear the college authority. In short time that will do.
may I
It's
submit-
okay. I can dispose it off by making, by
Directing respondent.
the respondent number that Lolit Chandra Bharati
Yes, yes, Your Lordship.
to consider his
Yes,
representation.
yes.
Okay. Heard Mr.
D.S. Dekar, Lordship.
D.S. Dekar, learned counsel for the petitioner, and Mr. S. Bhuya, learned standing counsel for
Or
higher
one and-
education,
1 and 2.
representing respondent number 1 and 2, and Mr. A. Chetri, learned counsel, learned standing counsel for Cotton University. On behalf of Mr. P.D. Nair, learned standing counsel for the Cotton University, representing respondent number 5. By this application, the petitioner. Wait, what is a prayer? Okay. The petitioner has prayed that the respondent number 3 be directed to issue a no objection certificate within a stipulated time in favor of the petitioner, so that the petitioner can appear in the selection process conducted by the respondent number 5 for appointment to the post of assistant professor in the Department of Economics. The case of the petitioner is that she was appointed in the Lolit Chandra Bharali College as an assistant professor in the year, assistant professor, by order dated 15/12/2019. It was 19.
Your Lordship, earlier I was appointed at Your Lordship, LCB College,
Huh?
Ratnapit College, and then again I was fired.
Oh, acha, no. She was appointed. Under, on the recommendation of the selection committee and governing body's resolution in Ratnapit College, Lalit Chandra nahoy, in Ratnapit College, District Dhubri, as an assistant professor in the Department of Economics, by order dated 15/2/2019. Thereafter, on the recommendation of the selection committee and governing body's resolution, the petitioner was appointed as the assistant professor in the Department of Economics in Lolit Chandra Bharali College by order dated 23/9/2022. And since then, the petitioner has been working in the said college. Thereafter, there was an advertisement put up by the Cotton University for appointment of assistant professor in different districts, in different streams. And petitioner applied for appointment as an assistant professor in the Department of Economics in the Cotton University. Full stop. However, the petitioner to appear in the interview for the selection process, for appearing in the interview in the selection process for appointment as stated above, applied for a no objection certificate from the authorities in the Lalit Chandra Bharali College, where she was working. Full stop. Uh-huh.
He has been shortlisted.
Shortlisted.
Oh, yes. Tar agote koa, tar agote koba, in the selection process conducted by the Cotton University, the petitioner was shortlisted and was called for the interview.
Yes, Your Lordship.
It will be one.
Page 28. Yes, Your Lordship.
And for that, the petitioner has applied for no objection certificate from the authorities of the area, Lalit Chandra Bharali College. The petitioner has also made an representation before the principal of the LCB College, Gauhati, on 22nd of, it was 24.
Your Lordship, the advertisement had.
24 she did not complete.
Yes, Your Lordship, but however, she made the application on 18/5/2026, Your Lordship. And
So
the
where is that application?
Yes, Your Lordship, may very well peruse page number 36, Your Lordship.
Acha, eta kam karo. I'll say this, that 24 you made the representation.
Yes, Your
and it was rejected because 3 years was not complete.
That resolution came only in effect in the year 2020-25, Your Lordship. Prior to that, there was no such resolution, Your Lordship. If Your Lordship has a perusal at page number 36.
And when was this advertisement by the Cotton University?
2024.
2024.
Yes, Your
Selection process has not ended.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Acha. Okay. It is advertisement in the year 2024 bol diya Cotton University. In the year 2024. Okay. Okay. She made an application, she made a representation, last one, to the principal of the LCB College on 22nd of May 2024 for giving her a no objection certificate. It is stated by the learned counsel for the petitioner that during that time, the requirement that a professor has to have 3 years consecutive services, has to have service for 3 years was not there. Full stop. Thereafter, the petitioner has again made a representation to the principal of the LCB College on 18th of May 2026. 18th of May, right? 2026? Yes, Mr. Counsel?
Yes, Your Lordship.
You have also made a representation on 18th of May 2026.
Yes, Your Lordship. I have made 3 representations, Your Lordship. First on 2nd of April 24, 22/5/2024, and the last representation after being shortlisted.
She has also made a representation on 2nd of April 24.
Yes, Your Lordship. And
2nd of April 24, and the last representation was made. Oh no, first was 2nd of April.
yes, Your Lordship.
Second was 22nd of May.
Yes, Your Lordship.
And third was 22nd of
18/5/2026.
18th. Representation is a first to go 2nd of April 2024. The second was made on 22nd of May 2024, and the last representation was made on 18th of May 2026. And on the same day, it was rejected.
Yes, Your Lordship. And this order was being passed on by the
Same day.
Yes, Your Lordship. On the same
18/5.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Full stop. It is stated that the principal of the LCB College, by a letter dated 18/5/2026, had intimated the petitioner that no objection certificate could not be given to her or any other employees since by intimating her resolution 9, intimating her resolution 9 of the resolution 9 adopted in the governing body meeting held on 22/2/2025.
Yes, sir.
by which it was resolved that no objection certificate will be issued to teachers or employees only after completion of 3 consecutive years of service in the college. And that the no objection certificate will be given by the principal only after placing the same in the governing body and after an approval is obtained.
Your Lordship, I have one more submission, Your
Yes.
Lordship. Your Lordship may very well peruse page number 9 at para 11, Your Lordship. As per Assam College Employees Provincialization Rules, 2010, Your Lordship, rule number 24 stipulates that NOC has to be issued, Your Lordship, to the concerned employee who is willing to participate in any other form of employment, Your Lordship.
But then this 3-year thing is there with
Yes, Your
paragraph 9.
Page 9, paragraph 11, Your Lordship. However,
The
that
learned counsel for the petitioner submits that the requirement of 3 years consecutive service is fulfilled by the petitioner as she was appointed on 23/9/2022. 23, 24, 25. And she has completed 3 years of 3 years of continuous service on 23/9/2025.
Yes, Your Lordship.
25. Full stop. He further submits that under Rule 24 of the Assam College Employees, within bracket Provincialization Rules 2010, NOC should be issued to the employees or the teachers who wishes to participate in the selection process of other colleges,
Other jobs, Your Lordship.
other jobs. In view of the same, it is therefore directed that the authorities in the Lalit Chandra Bharali College would consider giving the NOC to the petitioner so that she can appear in the interview conducted by the Cotton University. In view of the facts and circumstances and law enunciated above, if not found ineligible for any other reasons, petition is disposed of. And the said exercise should be done within a period of
A week's time, Your Lordship.
2 weeks.
Your Lordship, if,
Within a week,
yes, Your Lordship.
within a week from the date of the receipt of this order,
Yes, Your
the
Lordship.
petitioner is directed to place a certified copy of this order before the authority concerned in the Lalit Chandra Bharali College at the earliest.
Yes, Your Lordship. Much apologies.
Please, your lordship, my lord, regarding my lord, item number 5, lordship has passed the interim order. The petitioner has not filed submit any copy to us. Neither submit any copy nor our name is shown. So lordship has recorded my name. I cannot take notice, my lord, in this manner. So my name may be deleted. If lordship want to keep the interim order, then my name be deleted.
You are for the SSEB.
No, as a, my lord, no copy has been served to us. Either no lordship may fix.
That interim order will not affect. Ki asile number 5 or?
I was part of the opening portal.
No.
Affiliation.
Affiliation. No, see, why I have given the interim order is because it is at a nascent stage. The
No, no,
investigation
but,
is at the nascent stage.
Giving the interim order, I am not opposing it, my lord. My name should be deleted because
Acha, okay.
I was not present. So
Normally what happens, the councils are not there and they say the name, so I record it.
name, my lord, I cannot take the notice, my lord.
Acha, okay. So,
all.
TC Chutiya naam to hatai diba, huh? In item number 5.
Maybe expertise, my lord, don't do.
TC Chutiya naam to hatai diba. Only that if students will suffer, only because of that I have passed the interim order, then we will hear it finally.
My lord,
Even if your name is there, why do you worry?
no, my lord.
It's only because of the betterment of the students I have done it, because
No, better
affiliate and permanently de-affiliated.
Lordship, my experience, my lord, in the board, I know so many schools are opening in the name of Actually, they are tuition house. They don't have any legal ballot authority concerned from the director, either director or board.
Hmm.
They are running the school. That's why, my lord,
But then affiliation he had shown with
the
SEBA.
affiliation, why affiliation is cancelled? Definitely there may be some allegation.
No, allegation was that the paper
The
leaked.
student may be, my lord, student may be accommodated. That is the provision is there.
No, not by students, son of the owner had leaked the papers. Inquiry report to certain extent is there.
They did not furnish any copy. How can I know? How?
Okay, that will not have any adverse effect.
Otherwise, lordship, otherwise, my lord, matter may be listed on Friday, my lord, furnish a copy. Well, I will submit my instruction, then lordship consider for interim, showing our name in the causes also.
Till the next returnable date only I've said.
Returnable date, my lord,
And the date is fixed in that case.
then okay, my lord, my name may be related.
Acha. I'll tell নামটো গুচাই দিলো। এইটো কি দিছে? 5 টো মোক নালাগে। অমিতা কলে হ'ল। টিসি চুটিয়া নামটো হটাই দিলো। Yes.
Today I got for accommodation, my lord.
Okay. You were supposed to file affidavit in reply. Did you file?
No,
Learned counsel for the petitioner submits that he requires some more time to file the affidavit in reply. Prayer is allowed. List this matter when?
for 2 weeks, my lord.
List this matter on 15th of June.
I'm sorry, Lord, sir. I'm sorry to interrupt, Lord, sir. It is my duty to bring it to the notice of this honorable court. There is another writ petition pending, filed by the same writ
Petitioner.
petitioners.
About same cause of action.
Same, perhaps the same cause of action, Lordship, which is pending, 1929 of 2021. These are the similar writ petitions.
So we will hear it together.
Perhaps it requires.
It is further stated by Mr. Sharma, learned standing counsel.
Standing Council, Elementary Education Department.
What Sharma? Mr. P. Sharma.
PN Sharma.
P.N. Sharma, learned standing counsel for Elementary Education Department, that an analogous petition filed by the same petitioners, there are 5 here. Petitioners are pending disposal before this court, and the same may be taken up together. And the said writ petition number is
1929 of 2021.
1929 of 2021. Such old matter is pending.
Lordship, this is all irregular and illegal appointments, Lordship. We have already filed our affidavit in this particular writ petition, which will
The
suffice.
prayer is allowed.
Okay.
This matter together on 15th of June.
Lord, since this court will not sit second of, my lord, and
Ah.
matter will take some time, my lord. And yeah, therefore, my lord, the urgency of the matter, my lord. So may I pray, can it be on, my lord, on 11th of June, my lord? I'm
Yes,
right,
11th of
provision in
June.
2013, my lord. Very much urgent this matter, my lord.
2020 matter, it should be
Yes,
actually disposed of.
And
Endeavor shall be made to dispose of by the last
yes, my
order.
lord. Yes, my lord.
So,
11th of June.
David, as prayed for by the learned counsel for the petitioner, fixed this matter on 11th of June 2026.
Yes. And my lord.
On which date? Again, not required. Sure.
Yes.
For final disposal.
And-
For final disposal, will लिख दिया.
And my lord, on behalf of all of my councils present here, I'm wishing you a happy Eid Mubarak.
Thank you so much. Thank you. I'm obliged. Thank you. 18.
Please, your lordship.
Hmm.
Lordship, this matter may come on Monday, lordship. We need to take.
Achha, there was a
instruction.
mediation. Mediation failed.
Lordship, we have no instruction.
Mediation failed at this stage. Okay. As prayed for by learned counsel appearing for petitioner, list this matter on
Monday, lordship.
Monday. List this matter on 1st of June. Mr. S.A. Hussain. None appears for the, last time also none appeared. P.K. Bora has already filed. None appears, gosh. This is Sanjay Kumar Nidhi. None appears. This is item 21, no? DJ Haloy, Mr. Bhuya, you know DJ Haloy, right? I knew DJ Haloy. And S.A. Hussain, AJ Das, they did not appear for a number of times. 21 also they did not appear. Then 22 they did not appear. And the government has filed affidavit in opposition. None appears on call for the petitioner. It is also seen that the petitioner side went unrepresented on two occasions before. On two occasions before, keep going, on two earlier occasions. For the interest of justice, list this matter after 2 weeks. If, however, no, like after 2 weeks. Yes. 23. Yes, Mr. Ahmed.
But in this case, my lord, the name of the petitioner was recommended for provincial election lordship by the district shooting.
Counter affidavit NJ Khatonia was supposed to file.
I'm praying for 2 weeks time to file a
They have not filed. Huh.
On the law.
2 weeks further time.
Yes.
On the prayer made by Mr.
J. Peguman.
J. Pegu, learned standing counsel for
Elementary
elementary education, that he requires some more time to file the affidavit in opposition. Prayer is allowed. List this matter. Tell me a date.
After 2 weeks.
List this matter on 18th of June, by which date the learned counsel would file the should file the affidavit.
The next item lordship, they have some difficulty lordship may. Maybe
Okay.
some other lordship.
On the prayer made by Mr. M.H. Ahmed, learned counsel for the petitioner, list this matter on
Any other lordship?
11th of June. Yes, Miss Bora?
This matter may be taken up along with WPC number.
Not listed today.
Yes, let's say because they are connected matter. This matter is with regard to the non-payment of benefit of 7th pay commission to the petitioner, who was working as the librarian of the college. Now the petitioner has retired and her pension is also not released. So both the matter may be taken up together.
The other matter is listed when?
For pension, words.
Any date fixed in the other matter?
No.
Okay, then we will take up both the matters together.
Yes, Lordship.
Miss M. Bora, learned counsel appeared for petitioner submits that there is an analogous matter pending disposal before this court, and said matter is writ petition number
640225.
6402 of 2025, and she further prays that both the matters be taken up together. As such, list this matter along with the other on when date? When?
Lordship.
On-
Because
On
her
22nd of June,
Lordship.
2026. But this is 21 matter for final disposal. Yes.
Item 26.
Yes, Lordship.
26.
Matter. But 26 item is ready for disposal, otherwise the 26 and 27, both the items. So it's separate, but. So my lord, today as the lordship is not sitting.
I'll not
That
sitting in
day
a second.
may be taken on my lord Tuesday, 2nd of June, my lord, at 2 p.m.
Okay. As prayed for by the learned counsel appearing for parties, list this matter on 2nd of June, 2026.
of my lord. 27 is same, my lord.
27 is
Both
same.
the cases are ready.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, Didiva. 28 don't parties. Oh,
Password for timing.
timing
I'm
means this
praying for
court is
short
not sitting.
I'm praying for short accommodation, Lordship, for 2 weeks' time.
Okay. So additional affidavit is otherwise there. You have prayed for bringing it on record. Okay. You are for, okay.
Elementary education.
Heard Miss M.H. Majar Bhuya or what?
SR Major.
S.R. Majar Bhuya, learned counsel for petitioner, and Miss S. Kumar for
Elementary education.
Standing counsel for elementary education and Miss?
am thus appearing on behalf of committee for accounting.
As does for SKMD, Accountant General. Ms. Kumar submits that she may be allowed some time in preparing the case. Prayer is allowed. List this matter on.
2 weeks, after 2 weeks, Lordship.
List this matter on. Kitna day? 16th of June. 16th of June. Mr. Medhi is there. Acha, that Medhi, that case, na? I have, I think I have given that judgment, saying that the inquiry is okay.
Yes, that is,
That, yes, college.
yes, ma'am. Writ petition.
Rabindranath Tagore.
Yes, yes, writ petition,
Dismissed.
both.
Hmm.
Highly appreciated.
And this matter also, you were not there. Your junior was there.
Yes, ma'am, my name will reflect, ma'am.
Yes, SK Medhi নামটি reflect করিল. Yes. What happened? None appears for the petitioner. This is item 51. PK Das, D. Bora, and Mahajan, Nimish Mahajan. Due to paucity of time, learned counsel prays. Okay. None appears on call for the petitioner.
We have already filed our affidavit here.
It is there. Mr. U. Sharma, learned standing counsel for secondary education, submits that the affidavit in opposition has been filed by respondent number 2. List this matter on 4th of June. Mr. Datta, Nirma Datta.
Yes.
So what happened today? Yes,
This suspension matter.
suspension.
Yeah. First day, so portion of case number 21 matter.
Acha. So who is appearing for the respondents? Chutia, Miss Chutia, you are there. You took time to go through the records on 12th of May 26. So,
Then my lord, I file my reply. Then is
but the records are here. Records were with you that day. Now you're here, you have challenged it.
the suspension order.
Acha. Okay.
9/8/2024.
Where is that?
Page number 31.
Hmm.
3.
31, yes. Are you doing the matter for disposal?
The time permit then.
Okay, I can sit for some more time.
Yeah.
You do it.
Then my lord, issued a letter for hearing after 96 days. After 96 days, they issued a letter for hearing.
After the suspension order.
After the suspend 96 days. Then my lord, on page number 36.
For what offense? For what misconduct?
Challenge,
Involved in
allegations-
regulation of teachers without
allegations
following the
that-
government
Page
norms.
number 22, my lord. Statements of allegation. 22, my lord. That I
Reply
very-
to show cause.
Yes, yes.
So you were, begin from the very first, you were appointed as what?
Junior assistant, my lord.
Huh?
Junior assistant.
Junior assistant in what?
Promoted to senior assistant, my lord. In the DO office, Morigao.
DO office,
Yes, district elementary office, Morigao.
DEO office, District
Yes,
Elementary
district
Education
elementary
Office.
education.
So you are appointed as an
Uh,
assistant,
At the time of suspension, I was as a senior assistant.
senior assistant.
Yes.
Okay. You were suspended. Thereafter, a memo of charges were issued to you.
Yes, my lord.
And then articles of charges also given.
No, my lord. In between that, this, after 96 days, they issued a letter calling for hearing.
90 days your suspension order goes.
Yes.
If the
Not that.
disciplinary proceeding does not start.
As per this on order of this honorable court, madam, 90 days count from the date, madam, when the petitioner informed the department, madam.
Informs the department what?
Department regarding his bail, or he has not mentioned anything, my lord, whether he was under the custody or not, my lord, in this petition, my lord. And 90 days is counted from the date, my lord, where the petitioner informed the authority, my lord, regarding regarding his bail from the trial court or, my lord, other court. That is the, my lord, now present
Mandate.
mandate, my lord. Even, my lord, in this case, my lord, petitioner himself, my lord, admitted that hearing has already completed, my lord. Page 12, my lord,
But
paragraph
after 96 days of the suspension order, he said.
my DP proceeding has about to conclude, my lord, because your lordship may peruse page 12, my lord, para 7, my lord.
Tell him, madam, please, the next week of June, first week of June, madam.
It
But
seems
he
he's not very prepared. Okay,
Minor.
we will take it up some other date. On the prayer made by the learned counsel appearing for the petitioner,
First
list
week
this matter on,
First week of June, madam.
place this matter on 4th of June, 2026. Asile দেখুন SR মাজার ভুঁইয়া। None appears on call for the petitioner. List this matter on 8th of June, 2026.
Item 31 and 32 paragraph.
31 and 32. I don't know, Advocate Blue Isaac, counsels. What happened to the counsels? Mr. Botakur, you have some matter? Acha, today the counsels are missing. Yes. So, okay. Call item number 47. 31 and 32, no call.
39.
31 and 39.
39.
No, what about 31, 32? No one is there. None appears on call for the petitioner. This is a contempt case of 2016. It is not, it is no longer valid or surviving, I think. Who appears for 31, 32? D. Bora, R. Gogoi, N. Bora is there, Niren Bora. None appears on call for the petitioner. List this matter again on 4th of June.
Mediation fee is the principal of the party lagi. You have to take a step.
34, Naivadia, whoever is there. Yes, 39. Counsel for 39 come.
Your Lordship,
Yes.
their amended cost title has been, Your Lordship, given Your Lordship by placing one respondent number
Mediation,
6.
Lordship.
Then what happened?
Mediation failed, Lordship.
Failed.
Only the principal respondent number 6, respondent number 6 showed up. Rest of them, they did not show up.
Acha. So services
Service
complete
complete.
only in respond number 6. Let me see the cost title and you have filed application for impleading.
Lordship, that is.
That is done. Amended cost title filed.
Filed, Lordship.
And the correction is made in the array of respondents.
Lordship.
Okay, so mediation failed.
Lordship.
So there is no office note here. What happens?
Only the respondent number 6 showed up, Lordship.
Huh.
And we were informed that the respondent number 6 has written to the other respondents for release of the pension, area pension, Lordship.
Acha.
But we were not given.
Respondent number 6 is who?
The
Principal.
Lordship.
Okay.
That he has written to respondent number 3, 4, 5 for release of the pension, but we were not giving anything
3,
in
4,
writing.
5. Your Lordship, latest IS instruction, I may allow to obtain it, Your Lordship.
Acha, you are there for secondary education, right?
Yes, Your Lordship.
You are for respondent number 1, 2 only.
Yes.
Pension, Mr. Reddy?
5.
1, 2
Yes.
and 5.
5. Pensioners.
Pension, if you can appear, Borwa, and you get the instructions.
Yes.
There is also a letter by the principal for to respondent number 3.
Given the letter.
Later.
And for allowing her to get pension, no affidavit also filed, you get the instruction.
I will obtain instruction regarding.
This is a non-payment of pension,
Area.
area pension amount for
Later-
some certain days. Okay. Miss P.
Your Lordship,
Das.
First, your lordship, your lordship submitted that the principal has sent your lordship one letter to IS, then finance and your lordship pension. So particularly my instruction would be, your lordship, whether that letter has received by IS or not, your lordship. That
Acha, where is that letter?
forwarded-
Have you
Yes,
annexed
your
it?
lordship.
The respondent number 6 did not give us anything.
So your
Just
lordship,
for
it
that
is
one.
oral, it is oral submission.
Acha,
your
have you
lordship.
annexed it in the petition? The letter by the principal?
No.
No.
It is a subsequent development.
Subsequently, only in the mediation, we were informed.
Your lordship,
Acha,
since
acha.
he
In the
has not,
mediation, that has come into
Yes.
force.
he has no hard copy, your lordship. He has already submitted it, your lordship. So I may allow to take it, your lordship.
You
obtain
take the instruction if
whether
they have.
that letter has,
Okay,
your lordship,
heard Mr.
received by IS or.
Jed Islam, learned counsel for the petitioner, and Miss P. Das for respondent number 1, 2, and 5, you
Five.
said, 5, and Miss Borua and Bormon for respond number,
Pension department.
for respond number 3.
3.
Mr. Counsel, appearing for the petitioner submits that during the mediation, it had come to the knowledge that the principal of MCD Higher Secondary School, Barangabari, Sonitpur, had written a letter to the respondent number, to the Director of Pension
Lordship.
and Finance,
And the S7, 234, Lordship.
to the Director of Secondary Education, as well as Director of Pension and Directorate of Pension, and Director of Pension, requesting for payment of the arrear pension to the petitioner. Ms. P. Das submits that she will obtain instruction if at all such letter was given to the authorities concerned, and what is the outcome of the said letter. And as such has prayed for some time, prayer is allowed. List this matter on,
After 3 weeks, your lordship.
okay, list this matter on 22nd of June.
Yes, sir.
22nd of June is too long.
Lordship,
15th of June.
15. Oblige.
Yes.
Copy of the divan.
Nalage.
PDF.
Oh, yes, yes.
May I please, your lordship? Lordship, my senior on Lakes in another court. I pray for timing, lordship.
Cannot be timing. This court is actually not sitting in the second half for some personal reasons. So we'll fix it some other day. On the prayer made by the learned counsel for petitioner, list this matter on 9th of June. 9th of June. Yes, Mr. Bhattakur?
Item 47, Lordship.
Huh.
Today, because
47.
paucity of time, Lordship, fix another date, 2nd or 3rd of February, June.
Mr. Bhattakur is also there in for the petitioner.
The seniority dispute already covered. The junior most teacher is, Lordship, allowed to hold the charge. Although I am the senior most teacher of the school, Lordship. In 2000.
What, Kokrajhar?
No, it's
No,
from
acha.
Morigaon district in LP
Okay,
school,
okay.
Lordship. My appointment was of 2012. Respondent number was appointed in 2013. Then in 2016, he has been transferred to my school. Now the law says that if somebody is transferred from one school to another school, then he has to lose his seniority. So meaning by his service will be reckoned with effect
Around
2016 in my school, Lordship. So on that ground, Lordship, this order is not.
And
taken.
promotion is on the basis of
It is
seniority.
Insourcing, Lordship. Yes, on seniority basis.
So
Normally,
the respondent side is not here today. What are your prayers?
on 2nd of February, sorry, June, Lordship.
Okay. As prayed for by Mr. Decca,
Lordship.
learned counsel for the petitioner, list this matter on 2nd of June, 2026.
There is a status code that will be found.
The interim order was there. Interim order passed earlier shall continue until the next return of
Right.
Very similar, simple player. Item number 44, order matter. So I am therefore petitioner. I will take the fresh step regarding dusting. This is my prayer.
Okay, fresh steps by way of dusting.
Step was not taken. So what direction given by this?
Step was not taken.
Yes.
Okay.
So, fresh
Heard
step-
Mr. K. Bhuya,
fresh step.
learned counsel for the petitioner, who submits that the steps could not be taken due to some genuine reasons, and he prays that he may be allowed to take notice by way of Dusty
Upon respondent number 5 and
upon respondent number,
4 and 5 or 5 and
respond number 5 and 6.
Yes.
Shall I see the file? File to diok never. 44.
5 and 6. 5 and 6.
Let me see the file once. 44.
Yes, Your Honor.
One second. I have not finished dictating. Huh.
5
Um,
and 6.
Upon respond number 5 and 6. Huh? Prayer is allowed. But then Dusty is already given in 23.
Yes, the 2 time already taken, but affidavit has not filed. So I will take fresh check.
Mm.
So
Fresh
far-
Dusty
so far-
service will be
so
there.
far order office note 5/5/2025, stay was taken 2 times. But
It's okay.
if
Fresh Dusty service
Yes.
on respond number 5 and 6. A prayer is allowed. List this matter when?
After
23 matter.
yes,
List this matter on
short date,
11th of June.
highly oppressed.
Yes,
Yes, Your Honor, item number 34.
34.
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes, what happened?
During the pendency of the case, contempt case, the petitioner is already retired from the service.
Contempt case doesn't matter, petitioner is retired. Respondent is retired.
Petitioner.
Respondent number 1 had retired, and respondent, namely Iman, has suffered demise. इसे लिखे है. Mr. Shishi submits that the respondent number 1, namely Pritam Soikia, has already retired on superannuation, and respondent number 1, Sanjeev Bhuiya, has suffered demise. It will respond number 2 hobo laisle. In view of the submission, respond number 1 and 2, Mr. Singha, learned counsel for the petitioner, is directed to bring on new incumbents by filing. Now see, respondent number 1 had retired and 2 perhaps had died. So you have to file an impleading application. Okay. So by filing appropriate application, you have not filed, it seems. Yes, Ms. Tutia? They have not filed. Okay. Learn your Miss
M. Devi.
N. Devi, learned
M. Devi.
M. Devi, learned counsel for the petitioner, submits that some time may be allowed to them to file appropriate application for bringing into record for impleading new incumbents. Prayer is allowed. List this matter after 2 weeks. Okay. Okay.